Welcome back, guys. Now we shall study about types of software. Different types of software. Key difference: software refers to a set of programs which is capable of performing some specific tasks on a computer system. They can be broadly classified into two categories: सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर एंड एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर. दो प्रकार के होते हैं, सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर एंड एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर. एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर में जैसे कि आपका MS वर्ड है या वर्ड बोल देते हैं जिसको, पेंट है, ठीक है, फायरफॉक्स है, गूगल टॉक है, जी टॉक बोलते हैं जिसको, स्काइप टाइप है, और एक्सेल है, गेम्स. और सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर में ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम आता है, टूल्स और यूटिलिटीज़. हार्डवेयर में क्या आता है, डिस्क, CPU, रैम एट्सेट्रा. Software refers to computers programs which performs specific functions as instructed. It can be a single program. The motherboard serves as a single platform to connect all of the parts of a computer together. It connects the CPU, memory, hard drives, optical drives, video card, sound card, and other parts and expansion cards directly or via cables. It can be considered as the backbone of a computer. फ्यूचर ऑफ मदरबोर्ड. मदरबोर्ड के क्या फ्यूचर हैं? A motherboard comes with following features. Motherboard varies greatly in support various types of components. Motherboard supports a single type of CPU and few types of memories. Video cards, hard disks, sound cards have to be compatible with the motherboard to functions properly. यानी ठीक काम करने के लिए motherboard cases and power supplies must be compatible to work properly together. Description of motherboard. Or may refer to a number of programs collectively. These instructions are defined in proper step-by-step manner. It is important to mention that hardware becomes incapable for extending its capabilities without support of the software. These software programs assist computer and network to start and work. Softwares are broadly classified into two categories: system software. This software is usually engaged in background processes. This system sync the work of hardware and other types of programs. It acts as a middle layer between hardware and user applications. System software includes program like operating system. जैसे कि हम डोस कहते हैं ना, डोस का मतलब ये होता है डिस्क ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, वो है. इट इज़ ए वेल नोन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर. This software interacts with the hardware and provides the capability for running various types of programs. Desktop uses operating systems like Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, whereas Android and Windows are commonly used operating systems for mobiles. There are different types of operating systems like real time, distribute, embedded, etc. It is necessary to consider the hardware specifications before deciding the operating system. Language translators. It includes assemblers, compilers, and interpreters. These programs have been designed for programming language like C, COBOL, Pascal, etc. Machine language is translated into machine code with the help of an assembler. Compiler translates code written in a high level language to a lower one. An interpreter is capable of executing programs directly. It executes the program in a line by the line manner. Common utility programs. These programs are designed specifically for managing the computer device and its resources. It includes programs like communication tools and disk formatter. They are more focused on the operations of computer infrastructure. For example, virus scanner is a kind of common utility programs which provides protections of the system from unwanted guests like Trojan viruses. Application software. System softwares are more concerned about the background programs of the computer system. Okay. However, an application software performs some specific tasks on a system. There are numerous types of application software. They deal mainly with solving out some specific computing types of problems. They work for fulfillment of specific needs only. These types of software are also known as apps in short. Some of the common application software are word processors. Number 8. These softwares programs are used for creations of documents in addition to basic activity of creating a document. It also assists in storing and printing that document. Changes can be easily made in the document. Through these word processors, it is one of the most commonly used application software. MS Word is an example of a word processor program. Database software क्या होता है? This software is capable for creating databases. In addition to it, it also manages the data or information residing inside the database. It is also known as DBMS. Sometimes they help in organizing data. Some of the examples of database software are Access, Oracle, and Sysbase. मल्टीमीडिया सॉफ्टवेयर क्या है? These software have been devised to work with different types of media which are connected with each other. They are usually used in multimedia presentation, education and reference software. These software have been devised in order to assist in learning about any specific thing. There are many different types of tutorial software programs which all under this category. Many of these software programs have been designed for children for assisting them in their learning. They are also known as academic software, ultimate math invaders, and my amazing human body are two such softwares. Graphics software. These software programs assists in working with graphics as they enable the user to edit, manipulate wise visual images. It includes image editors and illustration software. Adobe Photoshop and Corel Photo Print are two popular examples of graphic software. These types of software usually work on either bitmap or vector images. Some important tools of control panel. Administrative tools क्या है? This control panel is for very advanced user only. It allows portioning a hard drive, start system services, schedule system tasks, manage Windows, firewall setting and so on. Backup and restore center क्या है? Allows to backup and then restore picture files, music files, video files, emails, documents, window media center, recorded TV shows and compressed file either as a custom backup or as part of a full hard drive image backup. System files, program executable files and temporary files will also be backed up alongside the own personal data files. Date and time क्या है? As well as for the obvious changing of the date and time. This control panel also allows to change the time zone, that is Hong Kong, synchronize the time with a time saver server, internet clock and have two additional times clocks as part of the notification area code. Device manager क्या है? Allow to install or uninstall the driver software for a particular piece of hardware. Device manager is good if a piece of hardware is not working correctly and need to be uninstalled, or when a piece of hardware cannot be installed because no installation CD for it, okay, that contains its driver software and therefore need to check the internet for its driver software. Even if the hardware is working fine, sometimes you might want to disable the hardware for whatever reasons. Device manager allows you to enable or disable hardware as well. Devices printers, ये भी एक सॉफ्टवेयर है. Allows to set the default printer, adjust keyboard and mouse properties, control Windows fax and scan software, as well as view control other aspects of the hardware, that is the computer and a flash drive. Display allow to adjust contain aspects of the display screen, such as its resolution, desktop size, its clear type, font readability, text size, brightness and so on. Internet options क्या है? Allowed to change the internet settings such as security, privacy, content, history, connections and so on. This control panel is for very advanced user only. Okay. Keyboard allows to change the speed of the keyboard and the speed of a flashing cursor. Mouse allows to change mouse and mouse pointer settings. For example, one can change the lock of the mouse pointer, the speed of the mouse, whether or not the mouse is left-handed or right-handed, the number of the lines scrolled when using a wheel mouse, so on. Okay. उसके बाद में है नेटवर्क एंड शेयरिंग सेंटर. Manages the network side of Windows 7, set up and then connects to a network, checks a network status, changes network settings and sets preferences for sharing files, printers, amongst other things. This control panel is for very advanced users only. Sound क्या है? Allows to configure the sound and audio devices, sound themes, volume, so on. Taskbar and start menu. Allows to configure the taskbar, start menu settings, their appearance manually. User accounts क्या है? Allows to configure the user accounts, their rights, password, picture and so on. This control panel is for very advanced users only. Window firewall क्या है? Allows to configure Windows 7's built-in firewall settings. This control panel is for advanced users only. ये भी advanced user ही कर सकता है भाई. Thanks watching of videos guys, and study and listen with carefully so that you can take more benefits of this video. Thanks for watching.